Hi everyone, it's Hair by Jamie Baby. This video is dedicated to all the ladies that were asking on how to use the new Marble Beauty Tools blow dryer brush. Today I'm going to show you from beginning to end on how to use this awesome brush, from how to section it, what to put in your hair, and what settings to use. So I hope you guys enjoy, and remember to subscribe and like this video to get more videos on how to do certain hairstyles and other hair tips. So I hope you enjoy the video. Going to be using my moisture kick spray, so just to take out all my tangles, because you know your girl has a lot of tangles right now. All right, ladies, after you brush your hair out, just a little note, it is normal to have a little hair foliage now and then. If your hair was up in a bun, you are just gonna get some loose hair that wants to kind of shed. And like I have hair that comes out here and there, but that's normal. Hair tends to grow back all the time. Again, hair tends to grow all the time, and it's okay to have a little foliage, and it's normal to have at least 100 strands of hair a day fall out. So don't be scared, you're not going bald or anything, so don't you worry. You still have hair on your head, that's all that matters. So I have divided my hair where I want my hair to sit. It's good to kind of divide your hair now because it will tend to dry up once you start drying, and it will get harder to reposition it if you wanted it in the center. So it's good to part it now that it's still damp. So now what you will need is either a jaw clip or one of these clips here. So any will do, just as long as it holds your hair. And if you don't have any of these, you could either use a hair tie, anything to kind of part your hair so it doesn't bother you when you start doing a section. So I usually do my hair in quadrants. So I am gonna start dividing it into quadrants just like this, and kind of do a little bun to kind of keep your hair together. So you have these that are left, and this is the pieces that I will start with. I like to start off using the high settings. There is 3 settings, high, middle, and low, but I love to start off with the high in the beginning just to dry my hair a little faster, and then near the middle I like to finish off with the middle and then low. I'm going to show you how to do the bottom, and then I'm going to work my way up top. So this is how it sounds like, which is normal. Just like as if I were doing the blow dry. So again, I like to turn the blow dryer in. Just turning it towards your body. It helps give you that round shape near the end. On the other side. Sometimes I like going to the other side to kind of distribute some hot air and then go back in. So that was pretty nice and easy, nice and smooth. Now you go through your next section right here. It's also good to rebrush it because we did twist it, so kind of loosen up the hair again. And it's okay if it mixes to the dry hair. We're gonna put it all together once it's done. this section of your hair, what you're doing is gliding the blow dryer over and over. So you hold and then glide, hold and then glide. And just repeat throughout your whole hair. Look at that shine, you guys. Gorgeous. Now to finish off this section here. This is good to hold when it does get a little hot, so make sure to hold this protection right over here. Here and going up to add a little more volume and pulling it towards the center and away from your face and high. Show you again, a little trick that I love to do is putting the blow dryer, sectioning this little piece here and pulling away from your face. This will add volume to the front line of your hair, making you have that gorgeous volumized front hairline. Super easy. Hi guys, so this is the finished product. How volumized is this section right over here? Literally takes less than what I would do with a blow dryer and a brush. Thank you for watching.